Hi, my name's Libby Tanner, and I'm here to tell you how you can benefit from joining an exciting Australian company, Nature Direct. I'm an Australian actress and have had some fantastic roles in my career, but from time to time, my work has been unpredictable. When my daughter was 6, I joined a party plan company and worked with some inspirational and dedicated people, Jeanette Anderson and Neil Reid. I made great money and even earned a fully paid trip to Thailand for a week with my partner. That's my story. So what's your story? When was the last time you thought about what really mattered to you and how you'd like to make a difference to your world? Do you crave better work-life balance? Have you tried without success to find part-time work you'd really enjoy? Perhaps your hours have been reduced or you're under pressure to work too many hours. Maybe you want greater financial freedom or need to build towards your retirement. Perhaps it's time for you to try something new and help people improve their health. You might simply need to earn extra income to pay the mortgage like I did. Jeanette and Neil wanted to make a difference to their lives too, but little did they know that Nature Direct would change the lives of so many other families. It's this reason that I decided to help them share this business opportunity with you. Since 2007, the company has been building an incredible team of distributors across Australia that helps families create healthy, happy and safe homes. With their message of health and wellness, the demand for people to see and hear about Nature Direct is increasing daily. We're actively looking for people to join our team of excited, passionate and caring individuals who have fun sharing our compelling message. Are you now wondering how you could benefit from joining Nature Direct? As an independent distributor, you'll have the relief and peace of mind that comes from working flexible hours, great money with commissions paid weekly, that's cash in your bank for you and your family, incentives including free products and overseas seminars, guaranteed support, opportunities to form lifelong friendships, and of course the satisfaction of running your own business, developing your own team and working on your own terms. So, how do you get started? That's simple. Take the next step and speak with the person who asked you to listen to this call. They'll organise a time for you to chat with a team member who can answer your questions. There's a reason you've been asked to listen to this information line. Perhaps joining our team is one of them. Come and join Nature Direct.